Good morning, students. So, in previous class, we are discussing about theory part, that is in sets. Okay. So, there are so many different types of sets, namely set, then subset, then equal sets, then power of a set, then union of two sets, then intersection of two sets, then difference of two sets, then complement of a set, then that is a subset as interval of subsets of real numbers and so on. Okay. Based on those different types of sets, now let us discuss one by one problem. Okay. Now here, look here, problem number 1. What is that? Let A is the set consisting of 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the question, insert the appropriate symbol. That symbol, read it as belongs to, or that symbol, read it as does not belongs to in the blank spaces. ಇದು belongs symbol ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಇದು does not belongs to ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇರಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅದರ ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, A set contains 6 elements. Now first problem, 5-A. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 5 ನಂಬರ್ A ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆನಾ? Yes, ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? Belongs to, ಸೇರಿದೆ. 5 belongs to A. Right? Next, second one, 8. Whether 8 belongs to set A, 8 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ A ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So we write does not belongs to. That notation indicate does not belongs to. Clear? Then next one is 0. Whether 0 in the set A? No. Again we write does not belongs to. 0 does not belongs to A. Next one, 4 number. Whether 4 number in the set A? Yes, we have 4. So we write belongs to A. Okay. Next one, 2. Whether 2 number belongs to set A or not? 2 here is na? Yes, here. So we write belongs to. Okay. Next, 10. Whether 10 number belongs to set A? No, in set A or 10 number is na? Illa. So we write does not belongs to. Idu belong symbol. This is does not belong symbol. Idu ಸೇರಿದೆ, ಇದು ಸೇರಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಓಕೆ. Next, main problem number 2. Insert the following sets in a roster form. Roster form bari. Builder form is given, write in roster form. A is the set consisting of x number of integers such that and that x number of integers lie between -3 and 7. That only less than, that is open interval, -3, 7. You know the definition of interval. Now -3, 7 it means what? X is more than -3, less than 7. -3 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರೋದು 7 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? -2, -1, 0, because -2, -3 is more than -2, -3 is more than -1, -3 is more than 0, correct? No. Minus x is more than -3, less than 7. -3 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರಬೇಕು. -3 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? -2, -3 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರೋದು -2, -1, 0. -3 is more than -2, correct or not? -3 more than -2. Then next, -3 -2 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, open interval -3, 7. ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? more than -3. This is 0, -1, -2, -3. -3 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? -2, -1, 0. -3 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? -3 is more than -2. Then more than -1. Then 0. Is it 0 is more than -3? 0 -3 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆನಾ? Yes. Next, less than 7 ಯಾವುದು? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is roster form. Clear, students? open interval minus 3 comma 7. It means more than minus 3, less than 7. What are the numbers? The numbers are minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then second one nodi ide. Insert the following sets in again roster form. Second question solution. B is the set. X is a natural number less than 6. No, take the natural number which is less than 6. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not 6 because less than 6. Only 5 numbers. These two are roster form. Clear, students? Okay. Next question. Main question number 3. Which of the following are examples of null set or empty set or void set? All terms are same. Null set means what? A set having no elements. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. What are the odd natural numbers? Odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Whether 1 is divisible by 2, whether 3 is divisible by 2, 5 is divisible by 2. No, divide ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ? Odd numbers, odd natural numbers divisible by 2. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್? No element. Therefore this is that answer is first question answer is null set. No element. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಂತವು? Odd natural numbers divisible by 2. That is empty set. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 2 ದಿಂದ ಆ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 3 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗದ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರೋದು. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈವನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ an integer say p greater than 1 is said to be prime number if its divisors are 1 and itself. 1 ರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. An integer p greater than 1 is said to be prime if its divisors are 1 and itself. 1 ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 and. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? then 3 divisible by 1 and itself, prime. then if you take 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? is it prime? not prime. and 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ which is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. but definition of prime 1 and itself, divisible by 1 and itself, but 4 is not prime. then what about 5? yes, 5 is prime because divisible by 1 and itself. then 7 is prime. what about 9? is it 9 is prime? no, because it is divisible by 1, 9 as well as 3 is a 9. ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು. 9 is not prime. then 11 and so on. these are the prime numbers. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ set of even prime number. these are the prime numbers. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ even number ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. so even prime number ಯಾವುದು? 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂತು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತು. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ is it empty set? no. empty set definition set having no element. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲೇಬಾರದು, ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು ಯಾವುದು? 2. so this is answer is non empty set. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಈವನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದು? 2. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. x is the set. x is a natural number such that x is less than 5 and x is more than 7. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. take the natural number, that natural number simultaneously less than 5 as well as more than 7. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, 7 ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ? 5 ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು 4 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 is less than 5. Is it 4 is more than 7? No. If you take 8 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 8 is more than 7. Okay. But is it 8 is less than 7? 5? No. ಯಾವ number ಇದೆ? No element. So however its answer is having no element, that is null set or empty set. Clear students? Then fourth one, why is a point common to any two parallel lines? Why is a point common to any two parallel lines? If you take parallel lines these two are parallel. If ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ there is a common point. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ why is a point common to any two parallel lines? Two lines are parallel. No meet those two lines. ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Isn't it? Is it empty or non empty? It is empty set. No common point. Common point ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ common point ಬರುತ್ತೆ? If two lines intersect, there is a common point. Now lines are intersect, that is non-empty set. If lines are parallel, it is empty set. Answer: this is null set or empty set. Clear students? No, try and follow on way to main question number 1 belongs to, does not belong to. Second question, write the given data in roster for. Third question, which of the following are empty set? Problem number 4, which of the following sets are finite or infinite set? You know the definition of finite set as well as infinite set. Remember, a set A is said to be finite set if A contains only finite number of elements, definite numbers, restricted numbers. A set A is said to be finite set if A contains finite number of elements. Whereas a set A is said to be an infinite set if A contains infinite number of elements, ananta, infinite number of elements, that is known as infinite set. If the set A contains only finite number of elements, that is known as finite set. Observe it. Now here, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? First one, the set of months of a year. It is restricted. Set of months of a year. In 1 year, how many months? 12 months. It is finite, isn't it? So the first question answer is this is finite set. Right? Because in the year containing how many months? 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 12. 12 it is finite number, isn't it? Whereas second one, the set of prime numbers less than 99. Less than 99 restricted. 99 ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ prime numbers. Is it finite or infinite? It is finite because less than 99 it is definite number. Therefore, set of prime numbers less than 99, that is finite set. Answer is finite set. Whereas here, set of positive integers greater than 100. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Positive integer greater than 100. 100 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? So many numbers. 101, 102, 103, 104, 1000, 10,000, 15,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh crore, and so on. So many numbers. Is it finite or infinite? Clearly it is infinite set. More than 100, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? That is more than 100 ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 101, 102, 103, and so on. So many numbers. Is it finite or infinite? Clearly it is infinite set. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. It is infinite number of elements. Okay. Then the fourth one. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Again continuation number. Endless. Again is it finite or infinite? It is infinite set. Answer: infinite set. Here, whereas fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Last but one number 99. Last number 100. 100 it is definite number. Restricted. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿತು. 100 last number. Is it finite or infinite? Clearly it is finite set. Remember definition of finite set. A set A is said to be finite set if A contains only finite number of elements, whereas a set A is said to be an infinite set if A contains infinite number of elements. Clear students? Oh, next question. Main problem number 5. In the following, state whether those two sets are equal or not. Again, you know the definition of equal sets. Definition perfect ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. When you say that two sets are said to be equal, two sets A and B are said to be equal if and only if all the elements of set A belongs to set B, and conversely all the elements of set B belongs to set A. A ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ those two sets are said to be equal sets. ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. A is a set containing four records, four letters A B C D. B contains again four letters B C D C D A. Now ಇವು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದಾವ. yes, A ಇದೆ, B is there, C is there, D is there. Converse, B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So clearly answer, clearly A is subset of B. Subset means what? All the elements of A belongs to B. As well as B is also subset of A. B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Both the conditions are satisfied. Therefore, set A is equal to set B. Now, first example, that is equal sets. Clear, students? Second one, notice A is a set containing 4, 8, 12, 16. B set 8, 4, 16, 18. Verify all the elements in the set A belongs to set B. A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ elements B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವ. 4, yes. 8, yes. 12, not in B. So, in this example, here A is not subset of B. A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವ. ನೋಡಿ 8 is there, 4 is there, 16 is there. What about 18 is there? No. Again here B is not subset of A. A B subset ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, B A ನ subset ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ those two sets are not equal. Equal sets means in both the sets having same number of elements. Conclusion ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಎರಡು equal sets ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. In both the sets A and B having same number of elements. Okay. Then third one ನೋಡಿ, ಏನಿದೆ third one? A is the set. Third solution. A is the set containing 5 numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is a set. A set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. B set Brittle form ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಾ, convert it to roster form. X is positive even integer and X is less than or equal to 10. Take the positive even number which is less than or equal to 10. ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Correct? Those are even numbers. Those even numbers are less than or equal to 10. Identify. A set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವ? Yes. B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನಾ? Yes. Therefore, these two sets are equal. A and B sets having same number of elements, then it is said to be equal sets. Okay. Then fourth one. Fourth one ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ? A is the set. Again, Brittle form is given to convert into roster form. X number of elements such that X is multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 is 10 tables. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. What would B set be? B is the set containing 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Right? Now verify. A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 10 ಇದೆ. If 20 is there, 20 is there, 30 is there, 40 is there, 50 is there, right? Clearly, here A is subset of B. A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. What would converse ಮಾಡಿ? B set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ 15 belongs to B. Is it 15 belongs to A? No. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು? But B is not subset of A. ನೋಡಿ equal sets ಆಗುವಾಗ ಎರಡು satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು. A subset B as well as B subset A. But here B is not subset of A. Therefore, A is not equal to B. That notation indicate not equal to. A is, that notation indicate not equal to B. B. Remember, right? Then fifth one, A set containing two numbers 2. B set builder formula ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ to convert into roster form. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. It is quadratic equation. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. It is quadratic. Splitting up middle term, factorize, factorize ಮಾಡಿ apportisi. If you multiply by any two number, you get 6. Add that same number, you get 5. What are the numbers? 2 and 3. So factors ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? X plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. You know how to solve the factorization method, already you are in 10th standard. So therefore x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 3. So however B set to minus 2 comma minus. Then identify in both the sets having same number of elements. No, here plus 2 plus 3 is there in A, but in minus 2 minus 3 is there in B. Are they equal sets? No. Now your answer, A is not equal to B. Those two sets are not equal. Okay. Then sixth one, A is a set. X is a letter in the word follow. It is builder form. Write in roster form. Write separate elements. F, O, L. Already L taken. Don't take one again one time L. Take only one time L. Don't take repeated. O already taken. Then W. Repeat ಆಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 times L ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಾ 1 time L ಕೊಡಿ 2 times ಹೋಗಿದೆ take only one time. So F O L W. Then B set, letter in the word wolf, W O L F. This is roster form. Verify all 4 letters belong to set A and will set B, same letters in both the sets. Yes, F in A, F in B, then O in A, O in B, L in A, L in B, W in A, W in B. In both the sets having same letters, therefore both those two sets are equal. A is equal to B. Clear students? No. Which of the following are equal sets ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? In both the sets A and B having same number of elements. Okay students? Problem number 6. Write down all subsets of the following sets. You know the definition of subsets of all set, that is nothing but power of a set. Now define power of a set. Here is the definition of the set of all subsets of given set, that is known as power set. The set of all subsets of a given set, that is known as power set. Note that empty set, null set is always a subset of every set. Remember, empty set, that is understood. Empty set is always subset of every set. Now here the set of all subsets. Now A is a set containing one element. Right? Now write down the all subsets of set, that is known as power set, denoted by P of A is equal to, first element is empty set, means having no element, that is understood. Next one is singleton A. This is power of set, that is subsets. Phi is subset of a given set, that singleton set A is subset of given set. Right? Then second one, A is a set containing two elements. Write down all subsets, that is denoted by P of A is equal to, first one is empty set, that is understood. Empty set is always subset of every set. Next, singleton set A, then singleton set B, then both the sets A. Clearly, empty set is subset of A, then that is singleton set A is subset of A, singleton set B is subset of A, and both A B belongs to set A. Now this is power of a set. There is one more question we will be asked in final exam. Third one, A is a set containing 3 elements. Write down all subsets, that is power set. First element ಯಾವುದು? Empty set. Next singleton 1, next singleton 2, then singleton set 3, then combination 1 2. Next another pair 2 3, another pair 3 1. Then last one is 1 2. These are the subsets of given set definition of power set is the set of all subsets of given set A is called power of a set denoted by P of A. Right? Now here fourth one. A is a set, no element empty. Then what is all subsets of set A? Power of set A is also empty, no element, isn't it? So remember definition of power set: the set of all subsets of given set, that is known as power of a set. Okay? The next question, write the following as intervals. Now you know the definition of intervals as subset of real number. There are four types of intervals, namely open interval, then closed interval, semi-open interval, semi-closed interval. Open interval AB means set of all real numbers between A and B, excluding A and B. A ಮತ್ತು B ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ A ಮತ್ತು B ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, that is open interval. Whereas closed interval AB, closed bracket, rectangular bracket AB, that is known as closed interval. Definition of closed interval: set of all real numbers between A and B and including A and B. A include ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, B include ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ closed interval ದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದೇ open interval excluding A and B. Okay. Now here builder form is given, write in intervals. So ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1 mark question. -4 less than ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, less than more than ಒಂದೇ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ open, less than or equal more than or equal ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ close. Here less than, open at -4. Here less than or equal to, less than or equal ಇದೆ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, it is closed at 6. 1 mark. Yes, this purpose are 1 mark. Clear students? Then second question answer ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, -12 less than x less than -10, only less than, no equal sign. So how to write? Open interval -12 comma -10. Open it, it less than it. Whereas third question answer ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, set of all real numbers such that x may be 0 and 7. 0 less than or equal to x, less than or equal, closed at 0, here only less than, open at 7. This is semi-closed interval, this is semi-open interval, that is open interval. Clear students? Then fourth one ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿದೆ, 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ less than or equal ಇದೆ, so that is closed interval 3 comma 4. Builder form ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು write the intervals. Converse part, write the following intervals in set builder form. Interval ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ಇದನ್ನ builder form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. Now first question answer ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, open interval -3 comma 0. How to write? X such that x belongs to real number, both are open ಇದೆ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ. How to write? -3 less than x less than 0. This is builder form. Or second one ನೋಡಿ, observe ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, close interval 6 comma 12. How to write? X such that x belongs to real number, close bracket, so 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12. Correct? Then third one observe ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, open at 6 closed at 12. one ಕಡೆ open ಇದೆ, one ಕಡೆ closed ಇದೆ. How to write? X such that x belongs to real number, that is 6 less than x, open only less than, this is closed notation, less than or equal to 12. Correct? Then fourth one ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿದು, semi closed interval, one side closed another side open. How to write? X such that x belongs to real number, right? Then -23 less than or equal to x, because it is closed at -23. Here open at 5. less than 5. Clear students? So correct you follow ಮಾಡಿ most important. They may be asked in final exam 1 mark question. Okay, practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪೂರ್ವದೊಳಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So many types of sets you know. Set, subset, then null set, equal sets, union of two sets, intersection of two sets, difference of two sets, complement of a set, power of a set, intervals as subset of real numbers. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ us discuss ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. isn't it? ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 2-3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay? So next problem we'll discuss next class. Okay? Thank you.